In this video we will learn how to integrate trajectory data into SolidWorks 3D model files. Let's start by opening our file we are going to use during this demonstration. In our case is our building floor model. Let's open that model file. Now we are going to sketch our robot trajectories on this plane here. We will start this by selecting Sketch tool, and now we will select this plane we are going to sketch on, and we are going to make this kind of slot trajectory on this model file. Let's click approximately here and here, and now let's make our oval shape and let's dimension it. First the length, we are going to use 2000 millimeters, and then the radius we are going to use 200 millimeters radius here, and next we will make some points that can be used in example for nailing or similar purposes. Let's create a circle. The diameter doesn't matter because we are only going to use the center points. And now let's make a linear pattern out of this circle. Let's click this to be used as x-axis, and let's click this line here to be used as the y-axis. Now we already have our circle selected. Let's use 200 millimeters distance and 10 circles, but let's reverse the direction. We will use quantity of 1 in direction 2. That's okay. Let's click OK. And now we can exit the sketch. Basically here we have shown the steps needed for integrating trajectory data into 3D model. Here we have this oval shaped trajectory, and here we have center points for nailing that can be used for that type of activities later on in Robotics. In next video we will show how to export this information into Robotics. Thank you.